My name is Jesse Schwartz. I'm from Santa Rosa, California. The value I've created in personal mastery is twofold. First was urgency. I didn't have a sense of urgency before taking personal mastery. In the 6 months that followed, I was able to double my income just from having a much higher sense of urgency. Secondly, was to be more inclusive. There was an exercise that really brought to light that I had been just looking to see how I could win in life. And after that exercise, I began to see how everybody could win. And that's benefited me a lot, especially with my music. The tangible results I've created is I've doubled my income since taking personal mastery. I've also performed at shows that have been the biggest shows of my musical career since then, and it's continuing to grow. I didn't really have I had kind of vague income goals. I set a very definite income goal to 10x my income from the point at which I started personal mastery from a year from that. So it's only been about 7 or 8 months. And also musically, I set a very tangible goal to perform in front of an audience of 10,000 people. If you have big goals or aspirations in life, it's very important to invest in yourself. And this is a very valuable tool set and a support group for accomplishing and setting goals.